Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Jude and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Rio Ferdinand don't come aside for the media setting when they talk about Arsenal and the way Arsenal sign, how they see Arsenal moving into the new season. So Babaka they talk say, I like Arsenal, but Arteta has a process, and the fans should support the process. They should believe in the process. Saying like what Arteta they do. I know say last season after they give us back at the beginning of the season, everybody come turn to Arteta out, Kroenke out, yeah. Arteta Congas convince us more calm down. There's a process get within the build. And now Baba don't show us now because that last summer, that's what kind of small we buy. We not to buy experienced hands. We end 5th for table bar. You know, we go believe that this season now, these people they don't buy now, they are quite different from those who signed last season. Even though they are still younger, but they are a more experienced bunch. You know, go compare the likes of Zinchenko, Gabriel Jesus, Fabio Vieira with the likes of Sambi Lokonga and Nuno Tavares who signed that last time. At least from the people who signed that last time, we had Ramsdale enter first 11, Odegaard enter first 11, Tomiyasu enter first 11, Ben White enter first 11. We get like 4 we enter first 11. This time around, we don't sign another crop of people now, and on a good day, since Zinchenko now is already breaking to the first 11, no time. Saliba they already breaking. Fabio Vieira now because that one still gets injury, he never heal. If to say injury don't heal, that guy is supposed to enter. That guy Odegaard, I never know how Arteta will rotate them, but all and good be say the fans don't trust the process. When last we hear Arteta out? When last year Kroenke out? All of us would they complain, they castigate the team hierarchy, they know they spend money for the club. Should be they don't spend money. Currently now, as a day like this now, I think now Arsenal be the highest spenders now for the EPL. Last summer myself now Arsenal be the highest spender. Now again they are spending more and they never spend finish, you get. So I believe everybody going to cut the team some slack. I even remember again say last season, towards the end of the season, we were saying this new season for the first 10 games, if I didn't do anyhow, whether they sack up, Abi, even myself I come outside and say this season I will determine whether they will sack Arteta, Abi, whether they will keep Arteta. Everybody say yes, Ajib, that's true. That this season, even though enter top 4, they will fire up. But this season, the board of directors they in sync with Arteta, they in the same page because the 3-story video they build, now we don't reach the top floor. So by the top floor don't they reach so I believe say at the end of this season we'll know that the contractors will bring the cement when they finish the roofing. I believe that we'll still they find a different roof because we never know that I see now zinc I be alumaco we go use. I also understand the analogy why they bring. Yeah, on to the next news. Our Ben Leno don't join Fulham, it don't the official. So Ben Leno don't join Fulham, so they don't thank him for a 4-year stay. We don't stay for Arsenal because he don't come here since 2018. We'll buy him from Bayer Leverkusen. So now we are very, very happy for everything the guy do for us. Even though Ramsdale can't enter, can't dislodge him, and because him the reason say he wants to go Germany, which will go World Cup with Germany. That's why he has to go get first team football. And as God can't help him, Fulham don't enter EPL. Fulham are London team, so to move from Arsenal to Fulham, it could be very, very easy. You know, go really disturb him. So well, wish him all the best of luck. He's a great goalkeeper. He's a great goalkeeper. Just say we don't get another person, we pass him. And as so life be, you feel there your comfort zone, say now you be the best, now you be the best at the moment. But they will sign somebody else and now overtake. You see this Odegaard, they claim say, confirm captain momento. Odegaard is good. What if Fabio Vieira can come? Maybe Odegaard get injury now. Fabio Vieira can't take in place before you know assist upon assist everywhere. When this is what happen, Baba no go stay Benjamin. You can't insecure, and so life be. And now what we want? We want competition for places with our players. We don't want as Sakade, Name Sakade feel say I am almighty. Sign one senior man now. Saka go start to fear for your position, and so it be. On my way from that, so Monza don't they close to signing Pablo Mari for Arsenal. Now Sky Italia and I come outside they let us know this one. So they say the deal will take place anytime soon. You get it's on the horizon. So we want me the guy move because now we are starting to sell. We don't sell Pablo Mari. We expect all those kind of people sell will still move. So we are trying to sell another. We don't sell Ben Leno rather. So now Pablo Mari won't sell now. So many players will say we won't ship them out to create more space so that we know where the new additions will stay. Well, what the water everything they go. Even Sky Sports reporter wey dem dey call Kit Downing don come outside come dey let us know say Leicester City don reject Newcastle's second bid for Medicine. Say dem no want their offer. You get. Now they come dey ask Medicine say where im go prefer to go. So according to them, Baba dey talk say Medicine go prefer to go to Arsenal or Tottenham Hotspur, not a Newcastle, because as Newcastle they never dey proven yet. They just dey buy. They never get team. They just dey get individual names. Now so Man City sef take start, but for now they are not really a threat. They never get team wey go team, because if you get all these plenty stars at the end of the day you go dey collect, you get. But the guy saying go prefer to go to an Arsenal side wey don dey stable and a Tottenham side wey say they don dey stable also, because you know say your position at number 10 now. So I don't think Spurs get number 10, but Arsenal don get like two number 10. So I never know how it go. I think our days of going after Medicine has passed. Again, I don't think say we see the reason the guy, because in the past, before they get Odegaard, they first they throw in name, but the price wey Leicester come put was so high. Imagine Newcastle now offering them £50 million, they kick them out, which means that 70 where they still tell us that time, now they see they hold out for. Thank God say we got an Odegaard that was a cheaper alternative, and now we've gotten a Fabio Vieira to assist him in case he's injured, or maybe they don't want to play for Europa League. So now so all these things will be well. Let's continue watching. Now till September 1, before all this transfer news will end. We'll just watch. Cesc Fabregas don't come outside from media setting when they explain the reason we make in like within Arteta and Edu Gaspar they do for Arsenal. So Baba Conte say they are doing a fantastic job trying to build Arsenal, and one great thing is say these two people, they were former players, so they understand what it takes to survive, what it takes to be successful on the field of play. If they say they never played football before now, they no go really understand how players they feel. So that's why it is easy for them to explain some kind of things to the boys, because they've done it all, they've seen it all. So what you want to tell them again? So they know how everything they go, and it's very, very happy for them. So make Arsenal fans just get patience with them. So they will take us to the promised land. Oh yeah, now don't be patient. You get patience. Even Fabrizio Romano sef don come outside come dey let us know say Barcelona and Depay lawyer dey in negotiation. Say they wan agree on a fee for free agency. As e dey like this now, Barca need to reduce their wage cap. You get, they dey try to sell Frenkie de Jong before, but that one no gree go. I don't know wetin happen. So now they are looking for how to sell other players. Frenkie say no dey go Man U, say no like their project, you get, say no like the city, no like the club. Say I want to stay Man U. So the plan saying will take a pay cut. So I never know what they do, but their own situation still dey one corner. Now what they are reasoning now be say since Lewandowski don't come, they get Lewandowski, they get Ansu Fati, they still get Aubameyang, you get. So what's going to happen again now? They need to flush out some strikers. So one of the names when they're on the chopping block, that be Memphis Depay. They won't know how they will take counsel in contracts, make them come to a decision. That's why they go out as a free agent. So people like Arsenal, people like Spurs, they are on high alert. They look back at, let them know whether this thing will work. If it work, they never know that Arsenal will swoop in for Memphis Depay, because in the past, Arsenal already go ask them say how much. Say they tell us say whether not £20 million, I'll be 17. I can't really remember now, but I know say Arsenal been they interested in Memphis Depay because Depay, that guy, the guy is structured, just like in bodybuilding, he can bully people he gets. So if we get that one for free, it's not a bad idea. We'll just watch it. EPL, they won't get a new change for the VAR. Get, so the new change now be say once an infraction happens on the field of play and the referee is going for the VAR room, when they debate whether a penalty, whether no be penalty, all those kind. No say normal. If something happen, waiting we go to see now all the slow motion, but we no go hear audio. So now the EPL the really say they won't include audio, so that with the fans, with the watch TV like this, they hear the audio, they hear what in the referees, they think how they come to their own process. Say, okay, this is not a yellow card, this is a red card, or this is not a red card, cancel it, or this is not offside, this is offside. No, all those kinds. So they hear their debate, so that the process will become very, very transparent. Don't be say at the end of it, we're the one that say VAR is causing more harm than good. So with this one, everything will be more clear. And according to the sources, this is how it is done in rugby. In rugby, if they want to do VAR, everybody go to hear waiting the referee waiting for in-house. They talk and how they can transmit the message to the one waiting on the field. That one will come cancel the goal, say no goal, offside. So this is going to be a new invention, and it's going to be good for the football transparency. Ryan Taylor of Daily Express don't come outside and let us know say Torreira don't dey on his way to Istanbul. So the guy won't accept the deal where Galatasaray put for in front, so they're likely to go do a medical to go join them. And this one are good news for us because all our dead roots now, we are shipping them out. Even though Torreira is still good, but just that our manager don't see him fitting in his style of play. But for other people's style of play, the guy is very good. Torreira is a good player. Personally, for me, I don't like him as a defensive midfielder because he's a short man devil. I don't like that. I like defensive midfielders when they tall and big, so that at least any sound that they bring, you feel they jump up, not down. That's what me I like, or personal preference to get. So my prayer is to make the deal go where no sell and go give them. So that's all it is. And the deal will cost that kind of 7.5 million fee with add-ons. You get, so you say you know they too much. That's why they're very, very willing to take him over there, and I wish him all the best of luck. I must say, Dick Sarr don't come as I call the reason all the new players to join Arsenal. So, but back on to say these players we Arsenal buying this time around. Almost the players they make sense and they connect really well with the rest of the club. You can't be like, see, they don't even be new players. Like, say, you don't tell where them buy them concept, the way they play. Look at the Zinchenko, look at the Gabriel. So, see the way they blend in. Look at the different relationships within the form you get. Look at the happiness on their faces. Can you see the relationship between Gabriel Jesus and a Martinelli, Gabriel Jesus and an Odegaard, then Martinelli and Zinchenko, then William Saliba and Gabriel Magalhaes? You know, blend all these things. We say everything they go very, very well, and it is going to be good. That is why almost all the Arsenal fans who I know for this planet are highly optimistic of this new season. Say this is going to be the season we've always dreamt about. To get when the defense is solid, the attack is solid, the midfield is this season. On a Friday, I can't wait. Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside for one interview weighing grants for Give Me Sports. So Baba Contoc say Arsenal will be very, very busy in the month of August. This month will be like this now. They are going to sign 1 or 2 players depending on the people who exit from the club. The outgoings will determine the incomings. So now what Baba just explained. Me don't talk right from time. Say Ateta never sign finish. Lucas never sign finish. You see they expect 1 or 2 players to come in and make things happen because they still get some kind of places who need to fill up the gap. Never feel everything finished. So we just watch as everything they go. I trust them. Our Charlie Patino said done they set to join Blackpool on loan, now 1 year loan, and it could make sense. That was why Arteta don't really carry the guy go pre-season, because what's the point? You are going to be going out on loan, so don't come and waste our space. Because people they complain, so why we carry like 5 goalkeepers go for pre-season, whereas Charlie Patino did for house. So let him join Blackpool, develop into a better player. After Remy Smith Rowe did all this, joined different clubs on loan before he became mature. Arteta can't give him a chance. Okay, yeah, come and play for us. So the same thing is going to happen with Charlie Patino, our baby midfielder. So maybe go join them, develop, and come and join us next season. And even the Guardian said don't come outside, come and let us know. Say Leicester City they expect Arsenal to move for Youri Tielemans anytime soon. They are bracing themselves and anticipating a move for their super midfielder. And the fee whether they expected this deal will go through with now £25 million because Youri Tielemans has 1 year left on his contract. He has agreed personal terms with Arsenal. He really wants to join only Arsenal and nobody else. His mind is made up. Even Arteta self and Edu Gaspar know say this guy love Arsenal now. Only Arsenal or nothing. If Arsenal no come carry me, I go day here, finish my 1 year, then probably end up as a free agent. But that is very, very risky because if we finish free agent, how do you know Real Madrid will not come for him? How do you know some kind of top clubs will not come for him and he will change his mind? You get, because their proposal, their projects, their portfolio will be higher than our own. So what you Arsenal will do now is £25 million for me. I don't think that is too much for a player that has the caliber and quality of a Youri Tielemans. If that guy did for the middle of a park, just imagine that guy and Thomas Partey playing together. It will be very, very superb. We'll just watch it. So if you don't watch us in this show, check the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So Sachuk signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and game out.